Another controversial issue now, the Minister of Energy, Favour Williams, gave an update on the much-anticipated forensic audit into massive oil losses at PETROJAM. The minister also revealed how PETROJAM officials and staff are being treated with disdain by the public due to the alleged corruption at the entity. She made the revelations in her sectoral presentation in Parliament on Tuesday. We have more in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
600,000 barrels of oil unaccounted for. So what happened? It is one of the major questions facing the state-owned oil refinery PETROJAM. To get answers, Prime Minister Andrew Holness ordered a forensic audit into the operations of the company. So what's the status of that audit? Minister of Energy Favour Williams told Parliament Tuesday that the Auditor General's office is now doing its part. They will have a big say in who gets the job.
Regarding the forensic audit of the oil loss, we have packaged all the feedback we received and sent to the Auditor General, who will oversee the procurement of the forensic auditor for the job.
But the forensic audit is just one of the measures the under-pressure authorities are using to find out what's been happening at the refinery in order to make improvements to the transparency at the scandal-hit company. A lot of what the company does these days need the approval of the Energy Minister.
We're moving to reconstitute the board. There is closer monitoring of the activities resulting in PETROJAM seeking clearance from the ministry on many matters.
The minister, however, accepts these changes will take time to help win back the public's trust in PETROJAM. She outlined how the company and its officials are scorned by members of the public at present.
I have heard from many employees that they no longer wear the company's shirts with the PETROJAM logo as they fear verbal abuse in public spaces. I understand. Strangers have come up to me and asked me for some of the money from PETROJAM. The permanent secretary at the ministry has experiences of her own as well.
In the meantime, a strategic review of PETROJAM led by businessman Chris Zaka is also said to be nearing completion. The report will help the government decide what to do next with PETROJAM. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.